Okay, now physical property of alcohol. In physical property, first thing that comes into discussion is physical state, and it is seen that lower members of alcohol, they are liquid, they have a distinct smell, whereas the higher alcohols are solids, they are waxy solids, and they are actually colorless waxy solids, the higher alcohols. So, and nothing to discuss here. Now, next physical property is boiling point. You see, this is an alcohol, methyl alcohol. Boiling point is 337 Kelvin around, much higher than the corresponding alkane or halo compound. You see, this is one carbon atom alcohol. This is one carbon atom halo compound, one carbon atom halo compound, one carbon atom hydrocarbon. The boiling point of alcohols are much higher than the corresponding halo compound or hydrocarbon. So this is very important, we need to discuss. The reason for it is alcohol, in alcohol there occurs intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Let me show the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So CH3, say OH, CH3 OH, CH3 OH, CH3 OH. So this is delta minus, this is delta plus, this is delta minus, this is delta plus. There is difference in electronegativity. This is delta minus, delta plus, delta minus, delta plus. So suppose we have many molecules of methyl alcohol, and you know easily between this delta plus and between this delta minus of two different molecules there will be a hydrogen bond. There is a hydrogen bond, so this is intermolecular hydrogen bond. So there will be intermolecular hydrogen bonding in between alcohol molecules, and because of this intermolecular hydrogen bonding there is some association, and because of that alcohol has much higher boiling point. So this is very important thing, and now we can explain the other boiling points also, like bromo. Why it has more than chloro? Because it has higher molecular mass, so higher intermolecular force than chloro. And like why chloro is more than is hydrocarbon? It is because here there is stronger dipole forces, and here there is only weak London dispersion forces. Okay. Next, coming to the case of solubility. Solubility, you see here solubility of some alcohols has been given per 100 gram of water. 7.9 grams of butyl alcohol dissolves in 100 gram of water. 2.3 grams of pentyl alcohol dissolves in 100 gram of water. And then ethyl alcohol is 0.6 and heptyl alcohol is 0.2 grams. So as we are going down here, as we go to more and more higher alcohol, solubility is decreasing. So lower alcohols are more soluble, and the higher alcohols, their solubility gradually decreases. So what is the reason? It is because alcohol, which is represented as ROH, in case of lower alcohol, we can say that this part where it is delta minus, delta plus, this part will dominate over this part. First, let me tell you, this is a polar part because of this delta minus, delta plus, and this is non-polar part. So in lower alcohol, polar part dominates over non-polar part, and and they are easily able to form, suppose this is water, water is delta minus delta plus. So lower alcohols are able to form a hydrogen bond with water, lower alcohols, and that's why lower alcohols are soluble in water. So if you are asked why are alcohol soluble in water, you have to say the reason is because alcohol can form hydrogen bonding with water. And why higher alcohols solubility decreases? Because as you go to higher alcohols, this part gets less dominated. In higher alcohols, this part gets more dominating. In high alcohols, non-polar part dominates over polar OH. In lower alcohol, polar OH dominates over non-polar R. So this explains the solubility. Now coming to the case of isomeric alcohol, you see N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, all are isomers, and what we see is solubility increases as there is more branching. Solubility increases as there is more branching. Tertiary butyl alcohol is infinity, highly soluble. So why it is so? It is so because as the branching is more, then surface area will be less. Surface area of the molecule will be less, and then what will happen? Solubility will be more. And now another property, we can say alcohols. Alcohols are widely used. Alcohol means ethyl alcohol has intoxicating effect. That's why it is used in beverages, in alcoholic drinks, ethyl alcohol. But methyl alcohol, it is poisonous. Methyl alcohol is poisonous, and it is not used in alcoholic drinks. So this much about the physical property. Now we will take up the case of chemical property.